everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Luisa and today's video is gonna be a weekly vlog. So today it's Monday, of course, and I woke up at 7 a.m. today and I feel like doing nothing. I can't really concentrate during my online classes. In fact, I'm really not paying attention to my English class. And yeah, so right now in a few minutes I'm gonna be starting my math class, and for that I have to be really focused. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I'm up to this week, and I hope you enjoy. So now I have to leave my house really fast because I have a photo shoot for my school, and yeah, I'm gonna be there when no one's around, like it's empty, and it's for like publicity for the school or things like that. And we are gonna do photos with the cartoons of important people in history, and if I happen to film some clips there, I'll insert them here. So let's go. By the way, I've also changed real quick. I put on this hoodie and some jeans and dress up nicely. I've done my hair, and yeah, so let's go to school, which sounds weird to say, but yeah. So I just got back from school, and right now I tested my friends to do the Secret Santa extraction, if you say so. And yeah, and I also did one with my classmates this morning. I think I've inserted the clip of me reacting. I'm gonna show you now what website we used, and also I'm not gonna share here who I got for the Secret Santa, because my friends watch my videos, so. it's the next day, and today I don't really have anything particular to do for my online classes, but I need to clean my room, so I'm gonna be organizing this, and then I think I'm gonna hoover a bit. That is a boring part, but I'll try to bring you guys along with me. Hopefully during the day I'm up to something more interesting. So I just got back from the house of a mom's friends who's teaching me how to sew and alter my clothes. So this is the final result of today's work, let's say. And yeah, I'm sorry if I didn't vlog much, but yeah, hopefully can make up to that in the following days. And yeah, I love how this turned out. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.